Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Microsoft Copilot. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, let's get introduced with the another cool AI here named Microsoft Copilot. What is it? Well, basically this is one of the AI powered digital companion designed to boost the productivity and creativity by offering the conversational assistant, information retrieval, and also the creative generation. And also not only can be accessible into your Windows laptop, so this can be accessed to with via website or even your phone guys, or can be installed into your Android phone. And for example, this time I would like to use this Microsoft Copilot via website, and let's see how it works. So the first step you can do, you can access this copilot.microsoft.com first, and don't forget to do the login first with your email. And as I feel about the login process, rather than logged in with this Copilot that has been embedded into this Windows, well, basically it is way easier to access this Microsoft Copilot via website, because for this Copilot website you don't have to do the input the, let's say, the pin or number, and here you only need to do the login with your email. And after that you will see the several tools like create the image, write the first draft, improve writing, and also draft an email, rewrite a classic, for example this resume, or help you to highlight the skills in your resume. And after that it will help you to improve the communication, getting the advice, or even design the logo guys. And if we go to the creator gallery, this will show you the several picture that has been generated by the another user. As you can see this one, and also it will give you the prompt that you can copy. And if you would like to know about the full prompt, so you can just click this prompt here and it will show you all over the prompt. And you can also give the like and also share this picture like this, and a lot of creations. And into the lab, well, basically it is like the GPT that has been provided by this Copilot. You will see the Copilot audio expression, Copilot 3D to turn the image into the 3D model, and also Copilot appearance, and the Copilot action, Copilot vision, and Copilot gaming experience. And as you can see, the look here is really dreamy and also very soft of this look. And for example, today I would like to try, let's say, you can ask the Copilot here, create me the road map to be the AI prompt engineer from the person who is not from the IT background, for example. And for the response, you can choose the model. For example, there is the smart using the GPT-5 and also study and learn, or mode of the study and learn, think deeper, and also quick response. And for example, I will choose this think deeper, and you can continue to generate it, and kindly wait for this Microsoft Copilot to help you have the responses. As you can see that this response also show you the footnote about what they say to you. And also this will be the result. And also the detail, for example, since I talk about the roadmap, so it will show you the plan of 6-month learning plan, and also the project and portfolio ideas, and job search, career growth, and daily weekly practice routine even, and also the recommended resources to help you to learn about this AI prompt engineer. So it is actually pretty good and quite complete, and you can click show all, for example, about the another references. And not only to generate the information here, I have also tried to do the photo editing. For example, I will show you how to start it. Then you can activate the create image here, and you can attach the photo, for example this one. And for example, I will show you the conversation that I did before. Previously, I attached the picture, and I put the simple request like this: change this attached picture to be the Van Gogh style. And after waiting for the several times, it's like 1 minute for the generation process, so the result will be like this. Well, the result surprisingly really beautiful, and also very detailed, and also maintaining the original of the picture or the previous picture, and very detailed, and there is not any watermark in this picture. For example, I will show you the result that I download here, or the output. Yes, this is the picture I have generated from this Microsoft Copilot. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to explore more this Microsoft Copilot, whether they're in your Windows laptop or even the smartphone or via website like this. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.